Hey guys, back to working on the 57 again. Been plugging away at putting this dashboard in, and the problem, my dashboard was all rotted out, especially down in this area on the bottom. This one has got some issues too, but you can see where my dashboard was solid. I left it, so I'm going to cut it and just weld along this area right here. You can see that. So I'm just going to trim it, and then I got to put a bit of a patch down here on the bottom side. So it's going to take some time. Where I tacked this in, I put the inner garnish molding on to make sure that I would have it correct at the correct height. So the garnish molding fits from here to this spot, but I wanted to make sure that it was correct. I did the same thing on that side, and then the other side is the same thing. Does have a little bit of an issue trying to get that to where it needs to be, to where the one that was in the car was in there. So I don't know, maybe there's some changes, but it should be able to do a cut and butt. So, but I'm glad to see the dashboard back in the car. You can see that sound deadener I put in back there. Next step after that is probably the heater box manifold. So getting there. Take it easy.